welcome back. Today we'll learn about the strings in C language. Strings are one-dimensional array of characters, and the difference between the array and the string is that the string is terminated with a unique character /0. And this is the syntax to declare a string: char, name, size. Okay, so each character in an array occupies 1 byte of memory, and the last character is always 0. There are two ways to declare a string. One by character array. So each letter is given within a single quotes. And the second one is by string literal. The word is given within the double quotes. So manipulation of the strings can be done manually, but it becomes complex. So C supports large number of string handling functions in a library called string.h. So we have many functions available within it, but listed below are some of the common functions. So string length, it computes the length of the string. String copy copies a string to another. String cat combines two strings. str, it returns the substring from first character match to the last character match. And strcmp compares two strings. Okay, now we'll learn a sample code. I'm including the header files. String.h. Okay. Void main. I'm declaring the two strings. Initializing them. Okay, in this step, firstly, I'm going to find the length of the string A1. Okay, in the second line, I'm going to combine two strings A1 and A2. We'll see the syntax now. %d, comma, str, length of A1. Here, I'm going to combine both the strings. It will return a string value. Okay. Now let me save. Manipulation. C source file. Save. Okay, now we'll execute it. GCC manipulation.c. Executable file is manipulation. See, here I have got the length of the first string and combined I have got the value for strcat, that is hello world. Okay. So hope you are all clear with the concepts of string manipulations using string.h. So in the next video, we'll learn a new topic. Thank you.